Hello, Power Fam. Today's power topic is the organ systems. Now, before we move on, you must know how are organ systems made. This is how. Many muscle cells come together and form tissues. And then these tissues form organs. And then organs come together and forms organ systems. And these organ systems work together. These organs work together to form one or more complex functions. Many believe that there are 11 organ systems in the human body, but they are not quite sure about it. Okay, let's get started. The digestive system. The digestive system has total 5 stages, and the first stage is the mouth. Your teeth in your mouth chews and chop up the food into smaller pieces that we can swallow. And what helps it to make mushy? It is the saliva that helps to make the food mushy and makes it easier to swallow. The second stage is the gullet, generally known as the food pipe. After the food has been swallowed, it is pushed down the gullet and into the stomach. The third stage. In the third stage, the stomach is involved. In the stomach, the food mixes with digestive juices that turn the food into a thick liquid similar to baby food. The fourth stage. The fourth stage includes the intestines. In the small intestines, the food is broken down furthermore into very tiny particles. And then the nutrition and the liquid is absorbed from the food that is able to move into the blood and provide nutrition to the whole body, the energy. The fifth step. Any undigested bits of the food that your body can't use are pushed out at the end of the intestines when you go to the toilet. This is the fifth step. The excretory system. The excretory system consists of the kidneys. You can find your kidneys below the rib cage at the back of your body. The main function of healthy kidneys are to filter the blood and to remove waste products such as urea and excess water from the body. This process of removing the waste products from the body is known as excretion, and that's how the excretory system got its name. Now let's talk about the size of the kidneys. The size of an adult kidney is about the size of a computer mouse. That's quite big actually. Our blood passes through the kidneys about 40 times every day to produce about 1 liter of urine. So make sure you drink 8 glasses of water every day so that your kidneys stay healthy. This is the urinary bladder where the waste product, the urine, is stored. Okay, so what options do a person has when one of their kidney or both their kidneys stop working? They have 3 options. They could either go on a dialysis. A dialysis is a machine that works similar like a kidney, filter the blood and remove waste products. And it could take hours in a day to do this. Or if one of their kidneys stopped working, they could get a kidney transplant, often from someone in their family. Or they could remove one kidney. The human body can work well with just only one kidney, so there's no problem. Okay, I'm going to give you a question and I want you to answer it in the comment section below. The correct answer will be pinned. The question is, why do you produce less urine in hot weather than in cold weather? The circulatory system. The circulatory system has three components, which are the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. The heart has two sides, the right side and the left side. The right side of the heart pumps blood without oxygen to the lungs. The blood enters these tubes and passes through the right atrium followed by the right ventricle and is pumped to the lungs to collect oxygen. And then the oxygenated blood enters the left side of the heart through these tubes. And passes through the left atrium followed by the left ventricle and is pumped to the rest of the body. The respiratory system. When we breathe in oxygen, it moves into our blood vessels in the lungs. Oxygen in the blood is then pumped to the rest of the body by the heart. After your body is done using the oxygen, it produces a waste product which is called carbon dioxide. The blood carries the carbon dioxide back to the lungs, and we get rid of the carbon dioxide in the air we breathe out. Remember, when you are asked to draw a diagram of a person breathing and a person breathing out, the size of the lungs should differ. When you breathe in, the air carves up space in the lungs and therefore it makes it larger, just like a balloon. But when you breathe out, there's no air to cover up space and the lungs get back to its normal size. Skeletal, muscular, and nervous system. The nervous system. Your nervous system is your body's command center, originating from your brain. It controls your movements, thoughts, and automatic responses to the world around you. It also controls other body systems and processes such as digestion and breathing. The muscular system. The muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. It permits movement of the body, maintains posture, and circulates blood throughout the body. Skeletal system. The skeletal system works as a support structure for your body. It gives the body its shape, allows movement, makes blood cells, provides protection for organs, and stores minerals. The skeletal system is also called the musculoskeletal system. Thank you, Power Fam. We post a Power topic every week, so don't forget to check it out. They are informative and useful. See you next time.